Hello and thank you for tuning in. My name is Royal Ward. Welcome once again. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can increase website traffic with this free method. So let's dive right into some easy and free traffic. Alright, so if you're not already subscribed to the channel, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button right here. A notification bell will pop up. Hit that notification bell as well so you can be notified every time I come out with new videos. So the traffic source where you can get free website traffic is Quora. Alright, now Quora is pretty much like a forum to where people come here to get their questions answered. People have questions on how to grow their Instagram account, how to make money online, how to get more subscribers and views on their YouTube videos, how to learn how to film, and how to learn coding. Just a lot of different questions on different topics. And here you can create a free account and answer people's questions and recommend them to services and products. All right. So just within the last 30 days, I've had over 800 views. Now, these are 800 real people viewing what I'm recommending. And from these 800 views, I've made some commissions, guys. Seriously, I've made some commissions sending people to different websites. So if you go to SimilarWeb and type in Quora.com, you're going to see some stats on Quora. They're ranked number 91 global and 67 in the United States. And they get about 481 million people each and every month. So there's lots of people on this website asking questions, and you can be a person that can answer those questions and recommend them to the answer. All right. So this is how we're getting some free traffic. So let me share with you exactly what I do. So if you go to Quora and you type in a question, so no matter what you type in, there's people that want to learn how to do stuff. And this is how I get traffic to my YouTube videos. This is also how I recommend people to products, softwares, and just different things on how to make money from home or whatever they would want to know. Now, whatever product or service you have, you can simply type in what somebody may want to search for, like how to lose weight or how to build a landing page, how to get more website traffic. Whatever somebody is typing into the search bar here, you can ask that question for yourself and try to answer some of the questions. As you saw earlier on my stats, just within the last 30 days, I've gotten over 800 views, almost 100 views within one day. So I'm not hugely active on here, but you can see the type of potential of free traffic that you can get. Now, if you don't have an account and your account's brand new, I suggest you just search for questions inside of the search bar. But let's click on notifications and let's see what type of questions have popped up for me to answer. So this one popped up 40 minutes ago. How do I earn in affiliate marketing? So how simple it is, you just simply click on answer and you answer the question. The most important way to buy The most important way is to buy a course that teaches you how to earn commissions or watch free YouTube videos that you can. This was my method of learning when I first got started. Twitter and ClickBank. It's very detailed and simple to follow, watch video, and what you learned. So I'm pretty much telling this guy how he can earn affiliate commissions and make money with affiliate marketing from home. And my answer, I simply put, the most simple way is to buy a course that teaches you how to earn commissions or watch free YouTube videos and put what they teach into action for yourself. This was my method of learning when I first got started, making mistakes and learning along the way. Here's a video I did recently on making money with Twitter and ClickBank. It's very detailed and simple to follow. Watch video and apply what you learned. Easy peasy. So now that we've answered the question, I simply just go back to YouTube on the video that I just explained to him about, which is one of my last videos. I'm going to copy the link here, go right back to Quora, paste that link. Now the video is right there, and then I can put a call to action. So I just put a call to action. Subscribe to my channel for more marketing tips and ways to make money from home. Thanks. One thing I can do is grab my link to where people can subscribe to my channel. And I already have a bit.ly link. So I'm just going to take this bit.ly link, copy my bit.ly link, and hyperlink this to where this is clickable. All right. What I'd like to do to make my post stand out just a little bit is highlight the most important parts. And right here it says Twitter and ClickBank. Then there's the video. They'll be able to watch the video from this channel right here on Quora. And then if they want to, they can hit this button right here and they will become an instant subscriber. Me answering their questions on how to earn affiliate marketing. I'm giving them tips on how to use Twitter and ClickBank to earn commissions, and they have an option to subscribe to my channel. And you just put submit. And now I've answered this question. So now he's going to come back and check out the answer. He can watch the video right here on the channel. And if he wants, he can subscribe directly to my YouTube channel and hit subscribe. So that's how simple it is, guys, when you can just answer simple questions on Quora. He's going to come back and see this, and maybe somebody else has the same question. The cool thing about Quora is, guys, when you type, when you answer people's questions, these questions get picked up on Google. So if somebody comes to Google, they can type in this same question about, how to make money with affiliate marketing. Let's actually type that in. Thanks for tuning in. In this video, I want to share with you how you can promote Click. All right, sorry about that. But if someone goes to Google and they type in how to make money with affiliate marketing, sometimes these questions will pop up from Quora, all right? And when people click on them, they'll go straight to Quora and get that answer. So you can get traffic from Quora, but you can also get traffic from Google itself, all right? And after you type in your questions right here, when results pop up, you simply click on that question, you answer that question, and then you can see related questions right here. You want to answer all these questions also. Now, I do this a few times a day when I can. For maximum results, guys, you just want to give people quality answers, all right? Don't just leave your links down there. Don't just leave your links down there saying, go click on this link, go buy this, go buy that. Give them a helpful answer, all right? You can even leave pictures, all right? The people leave pictures down here, as you saw earlier. YouTube tips and tricks. Really give somebody a complete, full answer that will actually help them out. And then when you give people value, they're going to start upvoting your answer. And when you upvote somebody's answer, that pretty much pushes your post and your answer all the way to the top of the feed, which gets you even more traffic. And look at this guy. He got all these bullet points and talking about SEO and using WordPress and just giving somebody a really, really good answer, which is very helpful for them. So after they read this, they're like, oh man, I learned a lot. And if he has a link, then people will click on that and go to the recommended place that they recommended. So guys, this is how I'm getting some free traffic. It's a free way that you can get some free traffic. This works really, really well for CPA offers, even e-commerce and just affiliate marketing, guys, on how to get some free traffic to your products and your services by answering questions to people that are concerned and are looking for answers. All right. If you got some value from this and you learned something, hit a like on the video. Create you a free account on Quora. Start answering some questions. Give quality answers, and you're going to get some eyeballs, and you're going to be recommending people to stuff, and people are going to take action when you provide them value. All right, so I hope you guys seen the power of how powerful this is. Using this free website as a way to get some traffic trickling in without you spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars on advertisement. All right. Hope you guys like this video. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel. Keep growing. Keep learning as an entrepreneur. And I'll see you on the next video. God bless you.